Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue. Hi everyone and welcome to our 7th and final virtual French lesson. I'm really looking forward to next week when we'll all be back in class together and we can all learn French in our classroom. So I'm really excited for that. So for our final French lesson this week, we're going to be learning a song. Okay, so I don't want to give too much away at the moment. I want you to think about what song that you already know could we learn in French. So it's going to be like a nursery rhyme kind of song. Okay? So I'll give you a clue. This nursery rhyme song is about something that is very little. This little thing can be found in a garden. It might be found sometimes in your house. Okay? It has 8 legs. Have you had a good guess? Okay, so let's start off then by finding out what we're going to be doing today. So our learning today then, we're going to be listening to and responding to a song in a different language. But before we do that, there's something else we have to do. Can you remember what that is? What song do we always sing first? Très bien, we sing our hello song. So to help me to sing our hello song, I've got my friend Claude. Are you ready? Bonjour, bonjour, salut, salut. Bonjour, bonjour, salut, salut. Join in with us. Bonjour, bonjour, salut, salut. Bonjour, bonjour, salut, salut. Très bien. You're getting really good at this now. So, if you haven't guessed already, we are going to be listening to a song about a spider. Do you know a song about a spider in English? I want you to have a listen. I'm going to show you 2 songs, 2 different songs. So it's the same song, sorry, but the videos are different. And I want you to have a think about which song you prefer or which video you prefer and why. Okay, so let's play the first one.
Hi there. You're about to watch a clipounet of a traditional French song entitled L'araignée gypsy.
L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre, mais le soleil a chassé la pluie. L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre, mais le soleil a chassé la pluie.
Okay, so that was the first version. Now listen again carefully and watch the
Hi
video
there.
for the
You're about
second
to watch a
version.
clipounet.
Let's press play.
L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre, mais le soleil a chassé la pluie. L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre, mais le soleil a chassé la pluie. L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre, mais le soleil a chassé la pluie.
Okay, so which version did you prefer and why? Tell your adult, which one did you like best? Was it the first song we listened to or the second? So for me, I liked the second song best because I liked the video. I liked how the spider had a little hat on and he was smiling. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to move on to our fluency part of the lesson. And today we're going to learn the song together, so we need to practice. And we're going to focus on our pronunciation. So that's how we say the words. So, écoutez, listen, and then repeat after me. L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre. Mais le soleil a chassé la pluie. Okay, so we're trying to do it as well, a bit with the song, so in the same rhythm of the song Incy Wincy Spider. And what I'd like us to do is have a go at thinking of some actions that we can do to help us to sing the song. Okay? So, l'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre. Mais le soleil a chassé la pluie. What actions could we do? What would we do in English when we think of Incy Wincy Spider? So we could maybe make our hand look like a spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbs up the water spout. Or we could go like this. Okay, so it's up to you. So let's have a go together. We're going to do the first two lines. L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. So what comes next? Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Okay, so we know that tiens, voilà la pluie, gypsy tombe par terre is the part of the rhyme where the rain comes out and washes the spider away. Okay, let's try it together. L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre. Mais le soleil a chassé la pluie. What happens at the end of the rhyme? So, Incy Wincy Spider climbs up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. And then out came the sun to dry up all the rain so the Incy Wincy Spider could climb up the spout again. Okay, so we're going to do this to show that the sun is coming out. Let's try it together. L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre. Mais le soleil a chassé la pluie. Okay, so you can practice that. Now remember, because this is a pre-recorded lesson, you can pause and go back as many times as you like until you feel you are really confident with it. Okay, let's try one more time together. L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre. Mais le soleil a chassé la pluie. Très bien. So you've been practicing the song with some actions. Let's move on to the next part of our lesson, which is a bit of a thinking task. So I want you to convince me that Incy Wincy Spider is the same as l'araignée gypsy. How do we know that Incy Wincy Spider and l'araignée gypsy are the same? So pause it now and talk it through with your adult or whoever you are doing your lesson with. And when you're ready, press play and we'll go through the answer. Okay, so I asked you to convince me that Incy Wincy Spider is the same as l'araignée gypsy. What did you think? Well, both songs are about a spider. And both songs have the spider going up the drain pipe or up the guttering. And then the rain comes out and washes the spider away. and then the sun comes out and dries up all the rain. And we also know that it is the same tune, it's the same song as well, isn't it? Okay, it's the same rhythm, the same tune. So that also convinces me that Incy Wincy Spider and L'Araignée Gypsy are the same. Now, our explaining task, this is a tricky one, so take your time, okay? It says, all the lines of the rhyme have become mixed up. Can you help put them back into the correct order? So we know the song, but this isn't the correct order. It says, tiens voilà la pluie, l'araignée gypsy, mais le soleil a chassé la pluie, monte à la gouttière, gypsy tombe par terre. That's not the correct order, is it? Can you help? Can you put them in the right order for me? So pause it while you work it out, and then we'll go through the answer on the next slide. So remember, you need to put all of these sentences into the correct order so it makes up the rhyme that we've just practiced. Okay, are you ready to find out if you're correct? Très bien. L'araignée gypsy monte à la gouttière. Tiens, voilà la pluie. Gypsy tombe par terre. Mais le soleil a chassé la pluie. Très bien. So your task now is to get creative. So I would like you to have a go at making a spider puppet or a craft model and film it dancing to the song that we have learnt today. And I'd also, if you're really feeling confident, like you to have a go at performing the song. So don't forget to send in your work to your teacher to win some dojos. Now, if you're thinking, spider puppet, how am I going to make one of those, or a craft model? I've put some examples on the next slide for you to have a look at. Okay, so these are pretty simple ones that you can make at home. Okay, so there's lots of different ideas online as well. If you were to have a look with your adults at spider puppets, okay, there's lots of different ideas online. I've just chosen 4 for you to have a look at. Okay, so you could make something like this and you could film yourself singing the song with your spider puppet and send it in to us, and you will win some dojos, okay? Or if you want to just film yourself singing the song and doing the actions, perfect, whatever suits you, okay? So that is the end of our lesson for today. I'd just like to finish by singing a goodbye song. Are you ready? Ready, Claude? Au revoir, à bientôt. Au revoir, à bientôt. Join in. Au revoir, à bientôt. Au revoir, à bientôt. Très bien. So don't forget to send in your videos or your pictures of you making your spider puppet. We would love to see what you are doing at home. And we are really excited to welcome you all back into school next week to continue with our French lessons. Au revoir!